This is a quick and easy pizza, no kneading. And if you don't have oven, this is for you. Very, very yummy and very easy to make. Welcome to the Sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is tbsp and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing I want to get ready is my pizza dough. So into this, I added yeast and warm water. Please make sure that your water is lukewarm. You should be able to dip your fingers into your water. And then I added in sugar, mix this together until everything is well combined. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is tbsp and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. So in today's, I'm adding olive oil. You can decide to use vegetable oil as well. So but I'm adding olive oil. Like I said, you can substitute the olive oil with vegetable oil. It will all work fine. So into this, I'm saving all-purpose flour. You can decide to use your flour as a go if you know that your flour is clean. The reason why I'm saving this is to remove the impurities. So just mix this together to combine all the ingredients. At this point, you should have clicked on the like button because I know you're going to enjoy this. So click on the like button, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. So once all the ingredients is fairly combined, then add in more warm water. Then mix this together until you have like a sticky dough. Just time to leave your spatula and then use your hand and just mix everything together. Like I said, this is a no kneading pizza, so just trust the process. You're not kneading, just use your hand just like the way you're seeing in this video and just combine everything together. So once you've done that, just add in olive oil or vegetable oil, whichever one you're using, into your dough, and then just mix this together until it is well incorporated into the dough. So as the dough is doubling in size, the next thing we want to get ready is our pizza filling. So into this, I have boneless chicken. That's a chicken breast. So just season up with your spices. So you can use your favorite spices. So these are mine. So just mix up everything together. So add in oil into this and mix this together until everything is well combined. To give your chicken more depth of flavor, just marinate it in the refrigerator for an hour. This is to intensify the flavor. And then once that is done, just add little oil to your pan and add in your chicken. And cook this until the chicken is golden brown. Do stir this at interval in order for all parts of the chicken to cook properly. So our chicken is ready, so scoop this out and set aside. The next thing I'm getting ready is my sauce. So into my pan, heating up some oil and then add in some garlic and ginger, saute for 30 seconds. Once that is done, add in your tomato mix. So into my tomato mix, I have some tomatoes, some red bell pepper, and some Scotch bonnet pepper, just to give it some heat. So if you don't want that, you can skip that. And then I added my spices and added some sugar and salt. Mix this together and leave this to simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. And your delicious sauce is ready. Allow to cool before using. So our pizza dough has doubled in size. So the next thing you want to do is to deflate it to remove excess air bubble. And no, don't be afraid. It's going to be sticky, but just trust me, this is the right dough for you. So once that is done, once you've deflated the dough, you just want to flour your kneading surface and just cut the exact dough that is enough to cover your pan. So if you were using a very small pan, just make sure that you are taking a very little dough that will be enough for the pan, and then just want to flour the top of the dough. Then roll this until flat. As you can see, the dough is not sticky anymore. Just make sure that you add enough flour and that's it. Please do not overroll this except you want a very thin crust pizza, but if you do not want that, do not overroll it. Just roll it into some inch and that's it. So just use your hand and make it into a round circle and you are good to go. The next thing you want to do is to get ready your pan. I'm using a non-stick pan, so just add oil to your non-stick pan or just grease your pan with little oil and that's it. Just place your dough into the pan. Just use your hand and just spread the dough into the pan properly. Cover this up and let it proof for an hour. So after an hour, it's now time to assemble your pizza properly. So add in your tomato sauce. So grate in your cheese. So one of the things that I did here was that I used cheddar cheese instead of mozzarella cheese. So if you want that gooey, cheesy effect on your pizza, make use of mozzarella instead of cheddar. So the cheddar is just going to make your pizza very creamy. Is it going to taste very nice? It's going to taste absolutely very nice like pizza, but just for that effect, just make use of mozzarella. So into this, I added some bell pepper, added the green and red, and also chicken. In some dry oregano and then add in some onions. This is optional though. You can decide to skip all this. You can decide to skip the oregano. You can decide to skip the onions. That's it. So whatever you want to add in your pizza, just go ahead and add it. So grate in more cheese into this. Place this on fire and let this cook on low heat for 10 minutes and your delicious pizza is ready. You can see it's so easy. You don't need any technique. You don't need anything. Just try this out and I'll tell you, you're going to make yourself a very, very delicious pizza. Like I said, I used the wrong cheese. I used cheddar cheese, so that's why it is creamy and it's not gooey. So just make sure you use mozzarella if you want to have that gooey, yummy pizza. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to try out this recipe. It's so easy to make. You can make pizza at the comfort of your home. Very, very yummy and very tasty. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Do not forget to like, share and comment below. I would love to hear from you. Do have yourself a wonderful and a great day. Bye for now. See you on the other flip side.